I will use the leftover polyester green cord. Link to this cord is in description. Crochet hook 3.5 millimeters, scissors, a needle, and one button. Start crocheting from the bottom of the bag. Make a slip knot and 18 chains. Round 1. Skip the first loop and make 16 single crochets. Three single crochets in the last loop. Sixteen single crochets on the other side of the chain. Three single crochet in the last loop again. Round 2. 16 single crochets. Three increases. 2 single crochet in one loop. Then make 16 single crochets again. And 3 increases. Round 3, make a slip stitch. Then chain 1 and single crochet in the same loop. And chain 2. It's an imitation of a double crochet. Now make a double crochet back loop only, till the end of the round. In the end of the round, make a slip stitch in the second loop of a double crochet imitation. Round 4. Make a chain, single crochet in the same loop. And chain 3. Now skip the next loop and mail a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 loop again, and make a double crochet. Repeat it till the end of the round. In the end of the round, chain 1 and make a slip stitch in the second loop of a double crochet imitation. Chain 1 and a single crochet in the same loop. And chain 2. In the 5th round, we make double crochets again, like in the 3rd round. But don't crochet in the loop under a hole. Crochet in this hole. Repeat these 2 rounds till you reach 19th round. Just remember, in an even round 6, 8, 10 you need to make 3 chains in a double crochet imitation. In an odd round 7, 9, 11 and 2 chains. When you finish to crochet the 19th round, sew the button to the bag. Round 20. Crochet slip stitches. In the middle of the bag, make as many chains as you need. This will be the loop for closing the bag. I made 33 chains. Then continue making slip stitches till the end of the round. When you finish, cut the yarn and make a loop imitation. Just watch my movements on the video. Now we need to crochet a strap for the bag. Leave a long tail for sewing, and chain 4. Skip 2 loops and make 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and turn. Turn to the right, not to the left. The yarn should be on top, not underneath as usual. Make 2 double crochets again. Continue crocheting until you reach the desired length of the strap. The length of my strap is about 100 centimeters. After that, sew the strap to the bag. Thank you for crocheting with me. Tap the like button and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my next tutorials.